Hello guys, today we will be covering how to do a glass material in Blender. Let's start. First of all, delete this cube. Secondly, add plane to see the good results. Okay. Then I'm switching to viewport shading. Then this time I will add from mesh monkey. Okay. I will increase its height a bit. Shade auto smooth. I will add a subdiv level. It's just to see the detail better. Okay. I will add a glass material. Let's say glass 001. And I will take glass BCDF, lower the roughness. Normally this will work, but it doesn't. So I will remove this, add glass 002 this time. And I will switch to shading. Okay. Now I will add an, by pressing Shift A, I'm gonna add a mix shader. I will Shift A again, add a Fresnel for factory. And lastly, I will add a transparent BCDF. I'm connecting these, okay, factory to factory. And this one's resolve to shader as well. And final mix shader results to the surface. And now I'm gonna lower the roughness as much as I can. I will lower the alpha to make it transparent, and I will make the transmission weight to 1. There you go. You have the glass shader material. Okay, and we can see also in cycles as well.